Hello, sir. And the program that I'm going to explain now is the multiplication table, the program to display a multiplication table. And I have started off with declaring four variables: mul, I, t, and x. These variables, and I have made few changes in this program. That is, both the multiples and the table is given by user input. For example, here see how I have given a statement saying enter the value table you want. For example, if I wanted two table, I will give a two table from this. So now this value will be entered into I. The similar way, I have also given a statement asking for the multiples I want. For example, if I want until 10 multiples, if I want until 2 into 10, then I'll give the value 10 here, or 12 or 15, and so on until how much the user is wanting. And that is saved in a variable known as t. Now here I have given a for statement for loop where I have initialized the value of x as 1. Here the mul is the multiple variable is equals to I into x. Now we know that I here is constant because if for example if you take two table for the whole process of multiplication in the table, this will be constant, that is 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3. So this I have kept constant, not giving a loop for the value of I here. And now I have another variable x. So since I have given a definite multiple that I want, so I am displaying this in a loop. So for initially I have given the value of x as 1, and it will go on until and unless it's less than t plus 1, and the value of x is incrementing each time the loop is done. Now here I've given t plus 1 because the initial value here is 1. It would have been 0, then I would have given x is less than t plus 1. But I didn't want it to give 2 into 0 is equal to 0, so I initially started off with x equal to 1. So now the statement I've given, the statement mul is equals to I, which is constant, which I'll enter here in the scene statement, the table that I want, into x, which is varying. So the multiple, enter the multiple that I want. So if for example it is 10, this x will go on until it reaches the value 10. So mul will be equal to if I'm taking for three table example, 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, and the loop will go on until it reaches the value 10. So I've given the cout statement as I, and given into, and x is equals to the variable mul, which is the multiplication of I and x. Now let's check the program. And I've given a table 2 and multiple as 10. So this is what I get. So if I take another example, if I give the variable as 3 and 10, I have this. So successfully I have executed the program.